My child, before you do anything else, pause for a moment, take a breath, let your heart be still. You did not come across this message by accident. Something inside you needed these words today, and that alone matters. I know you've been strong for a long time, stronger than people realize. You smiled when you wanted to cry. You kept moving when everything inside you wanted to stop. And even when you felt unseen, you showed up again and again. I saw that strength. I saw the nights you stayed awake, replaying conversations, wondering where things went wrong. I saw the moments you questioned your worth, your purpose, your place in this world. And I want you to hear this clearly. You were never weak. You were surviving. Sometimes life doesn't break us all at once. Sometimes it wears us down slowly through silence, disappointment, and unanswered questions. And when that happens, we start believing something is wrong with us. But there was never anything wrong with you. The truth is, you were being shaped. Every delay, every closed door, every difficult season was forming depth within you. Not to punish you, but to prepare you. I know it doesn't feel that way when you're in the middle of it. Pain rarely makes sense while it's happening. But one day, you will look back and realize how much strength was being built inside you, quietly, patiently, faithfully. You are not behind in life. You are not late. You are not failing. You are unfolding. Some journeys take longer because they are carrying something meaningful. Some paths are slower because they are leading somewhere deeper. And some people are tested more because they are meant to carry more light. You are one of them. I know you've been asking for clarity, asking for direction, asking for a sign that things will get better. Let this be that sign. What feels confusing right now will become clear. What feels heavy will not always feel this way. What feels broken is not beyond healing. You are still becoming, and becoming takes time. There are parts of you that are healing even when you don't feel it. There are answers being arranged even while you wait. There is peace slowly finding its way back to your heart. You don't have to rush the process. You don't have to have everything figured out. You don't have to be strong every single day. Rest is allowed. Pauses are allowed. Starting again is allowed. You are not defined by your worst moment. You are not limited by your past, and you are not disqualified by your mistakes. Your life still carries purpose. Your voice still matters. Your presence still changes things, even when you don't see it. Someone needs the version of you that survived. Someone will be encouraged by the strength you almost didn't realize you had. Someone will find hope because you chose not to give up. And yes, you are allowed to hope again. Even if hope feels risky, even if disappointment made you cautious, even if your heart learned to protect itself, hope is not weakness. Hope is courage. And courage lives inside you. I know you're tired, but this is not where your story ends. This is not the chapter that defines you. You are moving forward even slowly. You are healing even quietly. You are rising even when it doesn't feel dramatic. And one day, sooner than you expect, you will breathe easier. You will smile without forcing it. You will feel peace without questioning how long it will last. Until then, take one step at a time, one day at a time, one breath at a time. You are not alone. You are not forgotten. You are not unloved. You are held. You are guided. You are deeply valued.
And no matter what today feels like, better days are still ahead of you. Stay. Keep going. Your life is far from over.